So we just washed the car, we're drying it up, and we're gonna take the license plates off, the whole things off, like the mud flaps, and then we're gonna mask the whole car.
We are masking the car up, so when we sand it off, we get nothing of the trim.
The DA with 150 and 220, that way when they come back, they're ready for primer. So spray micro, these are high and low for when we sand forward.
I set in the car with 400 grit, try to get the guide spot on. We're getting ready for paint.
Spraying one coat of sealer. We're laying on that first coat of base. That's pretty good.
Now we're finishing off with the second clear coat, getting it right.